Hi there, students. Tribalism. A noun. I think an uncountable noun. And from this we also actually get neo-tribalism, which is a countable noun as well. I guess you've got tribal as an adjective. Let's see. Tribalism is the condition of being a tribe. Yeah, feeling loyalty and your identity as part of a tribe. Now, throughout human history, humans have gone together in tribes. Yeah, 20, 50, 100,000 years ago, humans occurred in small hunter-gatherer groups, and these were our tribes. We all belonged to a tribe. Now as civilization has become agricultural and more settled, we still have these tribal attitudes, and tribalism means discriminatory behavior to anybody who doesn't belong to your tribe. And this is really the idea of neo-tribalism. Neo-tribalism is the idea that humans have evolved to live in tribal societies, and now humans form new social networks called tribes. Yeah, and nowadays a tribe could be supporters of a football team, it could be members of a class in a school, it could be people who work in a certain office, people who drink in a certain pub, people who live in a certain area. So tribalism, I think, has changed. Let's see, we do still have tribalism. For example, apartheid in South Africa. This was tribalism. Yeah, this was discrimination based on whether you belong to the white tribe or you belong to the non-white tribe, and this was clearly tribalism. Okay, so tribalism, it's talking about a group of people, and I think very often humans, we are still tribal. I think probably the weakest tribes nowadays are our own families. Yeah, so maybe all of the people that you get together with over Christmas, this could be considered your tribe because these are your relatives, relations and family. Yeah, so maybe you could say I had a get together with the tribe. However, I think tribal feelings and tribalism nowadays is more to do with the groups of people that we relate with. Yeah, so I don't know, there was tribalism among the English teachers at the school. Yeah, okay, so tribalism. Let's see. Where do we still? Where is tribalism still important? In some third world countries, tribalism is still important. I'm thinking, for example, in the Amazon or in some parts of Southeast Asia. Tribalism is still important. In Africa as well, people belong to different tribes. And very often there is conflict between different tribes, and very often this tribalism, it leads to discrimination, to unfairness, and to all sorts of problems. So, tribalism, formality. I think I'm going to give tribalism a 6 in formality. I would say use it absolutely anywhere. And let's see, it comes from the the word tribal, which comes from Latin tribalis, yeah, meaning related to a tribe. So, well, I guess tribes have been around for a long time. Yeah, that actually makes me think of the tribe that I have who come to my live streams. Yeah, there's clearly a tribe of about 50 people overall who come to my tribe. It's a good size for a tribe. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Tribalism.